Hello and welcome to Laurice's Kitchen. Easter has come and gone, but if you're like a large portion of the holiday observing population, you'll have some ham left over. So today I'm making ham salad. I remember my parents getting this from the deli ages ago, but it seems to have fallen out of favor, at least with the grocery store delis that I frequent. It's easy to put together and only takes a few ingredients, so let's see what we're gonna need. This is my leftover Easter ham. We're going to need about a pound of it. Now we want to take off any excess fat. I'm grinding this in my food grinder, although you could put this together in a food processor. However you do it, it needs to be cut into cubes. I'm starting with about a quarter cup of sweet pickle relish. We're just going to mix all this in one at a time. Next is about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Now this is optional, but I really do think it makes the flavor better. And last, I know this is going to trigger a few people, this is Miracle Whip, it's not mayonnaise. You could use mayonnaise, but the flavor is just not going to be the same. This is close to a cup. I'm serving this ham salad on leftover dinner rolls, which is a lie because we never have leftover dinner rolls. I had to make a whole new batch. Let's give this a taste. Smells just like I remember. Tastes just like I remember too. Thank you for visiting Laurice's Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, give the like button a click and don't forget to leave a comment. We're always happy to hear from you. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and don't keep us a secret. Share our videos with your friends and family. You can follow us on Facebook for behind-the-scenes pics and videos, and on Twitter for upcoming videos and the random cat picture.